OSG is the world's largest manufacturer of round cutting tools with a top global market share in taps, drills, and end mills. We have a global workforce of approximately 7,500 employees. With a production, sales, and technical network spanning more than 30 countries, OSG provides high-performance products and technical support optimized for individual market needs. OSG is our company name and trademark. O stands for Osawa, the last name of our founder. S stands for screw, and G for grinding. OSG Grinding Company was founded in 1938. In 1963, our company name was changed to OSG Corporation. In 1968, we established our first overseas subsidiary in the United States. In 1974, a new location was added to Brazil to service the South American market. In 1981, OSG shares were listed on the first section of the Tokyo and Nagoya stock exchanges. In 1993, we added a Southeast Asia headquarters in Singapore. In 1997, a Europe headquarters in Belgium was established. In 2001, we expanded our market to China. In 2020, the Neo Shinshido Smart Factory was completed. In 2023, OSG celebrated its 85th anniversary. OSG products are produced in-house, from the production of tool material, creation of tool geometry, to the development of its own proprietary coatings, which are the three vital elements in the manufacturing of superior cutting tools. Taps are used to cut screw threads on the internal surfaces of holes. OSG has been manufacturing taps since its founding and currently holds the world's largest market share. Our taps are engineered to guarantee high-precision internal threads to fulfill rigorous safety requirements. Drills are used to make holes in a wide range of surfaces. OSG has received high acclaim for the development of efficient drilling products with advanced processing techniques and zero margin of error. End mills are used to form shapes in metal. They are used in the manufacturing of various industrial products, such as automotive parts and mold production. To meet today's demanding requirements, OSG has developed a variety of end mills that are excellent in both processing accuracy and durability. Thread rolling dies are used to copy threads onto screws. The process consists of rolling a metal bar between two thread rolling dies tightly pressed against each side. OSG offers a variety of thread rolling products with a high level of precision and efficiency to help manufacturers maximize productivity in mass production environments. Indexable tools are tools with replaceable cutting inserts. They are primarily used for rough processing of metals. Since the cutting inserts can be replaced when they become damaged or worn, indexable tools are very economical and environmentally friendly. OSG products contribute to an array of manufacturing industries to drive better results. OSG provides optimal cutting tool solutions in the micro-precision processing industry that requires high machining accuracy, such as semiconductors for 5G, precision molds, mobility, and robotics. OSG continues to answer the automotive industry's ever-changing needs through vast product lineup and tailored customer support. For the die and mold industry, OSG supplies end mills with a wide variety of size variations and unrivaled quality, even for the most complicated production. With the ability to develop our own coating and tool geometry, OSG offers products optimized for the processing of difficult-to-machine materials such as composites, which are commonly used in the aerospace industry. In heavy industry, we offer large diameter tooling and a broad product lineup for the machining of big components. OSG also supports power generation metal cutting of large parts and difficult-to-machine materials with precision cutting tools and optimal solutions. OSG's headquarters is located in Toyokawa in Aichi Prefecture, a leading industrial capital where manufacturing companies thrive. Near the headquarters is our Yana factory, which is the largest tap manufacturing plant in the world. Next is the Oike factory, where our carbide end mills are produced. These facilities, including OSG's revamped Neo Shinshido Smart Factory with capabilities to achieve ultra-high mix, low-volume manufacturing, are equipped with some of the latest equipment for production, inspection, and testing to supply high-quality products to the world of manufacturing. With locations in more than 30 countries, OSG has established a stable and efficient product supply system for the manufacturing industry worldwide. OSG maintains absolute control over every aspect of our manufacturing capabilities to guarantee product quality. Additionally, we have integrated sustainability into various aspects of our operations to ensure an environmentally friendly, healthy, and safe management system. In addition to Japan, OSG has established technical support centers in 7 countries, including Germany and Mexico. OSG is making full use of IoT in its factory automation and also strives to connect customers from around the world by leveraging digital technologies such as virtual showrooms, webinars, and live chat support. We will continue to accelerate digitalization within the company to create new business models and solutions for our stakeholders. In December 2022, OSG has established a special subsidiary named OSG Active to promote employment opportunity and stability for people with disabilities. As a global brand, OSG is committed to the sustainability of our society. We will continue to support the manufacturing industry with the world's highest quality products, challenge the status quo, and devote ourselves to transforming our customers' dreams into reality.